our destiny. Watch that. You know you used to tell me outside the team from 110 bike. She said the love of me style and not give me. And the boy me go to say she want see me. And I tell my friends pop up here. Say she has something to give me. She tell me say. She tell me she like me silent. She tell me she love me smile. And I'm here to say she love me style. And just try when she see the kind. She tell me yeah. She tell me she like me style. She tell me she love me smile. And she and I'm here. She love me style. And just well I'm telling her something. You know. She knows something. Why not to talk? We want to do that. And to tell me say. We can let you go. I'm gonna move you. I'm gonna move you. One last circle. Yeah, Excel, oh keep it. We're not for ask you how you feel it. How you feel like termination. But me to represent, don't you talk to me again. I'd go, dear Excel, oh keep it. We're not for ask you how you feel it. How do you know what you feel like running is still? I even though I feel it, kind of miss you. Never know if that thing kind of sense. But working on the future, maybe we can still be friends. You know the question if I care. Money only one problem, no flash, you never want to share. Money don't be out there from the side, well on. Money know that, cause I know something over my eye. Money don't tell I got from the start. Money even though we're not there, show my face and my heart. Money don't feel lonely. Money don't want to hold me. Money don't want to put it on flat. One day, please, what make you a want for? Walk and a wine and a shake up your hip for. What make you a talk for? Talk and a lick off your lips for. What make you stay for? Hey, you do it like I know God you for. Yes, me want you for. Right after, then you have a place to. You like your you know, and if you ever shake your remember when we used to chillin' at the park? I know you used to play with the little children. Remember when we used to walk and talk? And you would tell me say you want to have my kids them. Me know say it drive you crazy, cause you want to have lonely baby. Me know say it hurt, and sometimes me too wish it woulda worked. But me know say God have a plan for you, and that's why Rooney operator sang to you. So the thing said out flat. Once you find a man who you go show your interest and respect. I real some nigga in our life. I real nigga who go turn her in a wife. But this is how I pray. So one girl thing, just not for me. Yeah, I want to tell them how my life is now. Because it's not an easy road. Hear me now, we boss the money. We have a lot of vibes, I swear. Hey, I want to follow the place flat. What the place? Aye. We can't tell them something, yeah, take it back from top. Start up. Right about now, I can read out a story. Yeah, big up the fully grown crop, them, you know. That's the way to do it. Hear me now? Watch me now. Yes, it is my life. Yeah, I'm gonna tell you about my life. Yeah, listen to my life. When they hear about my life, I want you to tell me it is life. What do you call them now? All I know, as a juvenile, we used to grow up like a crocodile. Like it's a fun thing. Take it to them. Money. If I even listen to money.